Welcome! If you've ever wondered how to find all your contacts on Snapchat, you're in the right place. Snapchat updates its interface pretty often, so things can feel a bit different each time. But don't worry, this process is still quick and simple once you know where to look. First, go ahead and open your Snapchat app. Make sure you're logged into your account so everything loads properly. Once you're on the main camera screen, look toward the top left corner. You'll see your Bitmoji or profile icon there. Tap on it to enter your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, you'll see several options. What you want to focus on is the Add Friends section. Tap on Add Friends to move forward. This is where Snapchat helps you discover people you may know or want to connect with. At the top of this screen, you'll notice a tab labeled All Contacts. This is the key step. Tap on All Contacts and Snapchat will show you a list of people from your phone's contact list who are also on Snapchat or who can be invited to join. If you don't see your contacts right away, make sure Snapchat has permission to access your phone contacts.